Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So for today's video, yes, I am so blooming excited. This is definitely going to get me in the festive spirit. So today I am unboxing my Christmas gift swap from Malica. Now if you are an OG subscriber and viewer of my channel, you will know I've done these quite a few times with Malica, and Christmas time is both of our favourite time of year and we love buying presents for people. And ever since we connected over YouTube, thank God I have, because I don't know where I'd be without that girl, we just have decided to do Christmas swaps, and this year is no different, especially this year because of how crap. Got mine in the post. It's in this Amazon box. It is very heavy. We have also done, I believe, 3 presents for Christmas Day, so there's 3 things in here that I cannot, or 2 things, I can't remember, that I cannot open till Christmas Day. But Malica, quick note for you, thank you so much for just being you and being such a lovely friend, because I don't know where I would be without you. You've made my YouTube experience so much better, and I really miss our London meetups and Primark shopping trips and photo shoots. So we definitely need to try and do that next year. So yeah, I love you very much. I've ever filmed with this camera, so bear with me, might keep looking in the viewfinder. We move. Scissors. Oh my god. Right. Oh, there's a cute card. Let's open this up. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, you little cutie. That is a really cute card as well. Add to mine and my mum's collection. So thank you, Malica. Okay, so she is, yeah, she's done it really well as always. So I believe she said the presents with the bows on. I think, is that a Christmas? I'm gonna have to look on my Instagram where we've been talking daily. But if you want to have a sneak peek, so exciting. Let me have a look. One, I can't open yet. And this one I can't open yet, so that's staying there. Not touching those, they will be going to my mum. Opening. We didn't really, normally we do a wish list each year, and I'm really glad I brought scissors because her wrapping's really good, but to the point I can't actually get into the presents, which obviously defeats the purpose. So she knows the kind of stuff I like. She's been friends with me for nearly 4 years, you know. Oh, lush. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's the Body Shop Mango bar of soap. Now, me and my mum love bars of soap, so this will go in our bathroom ASAP. And I love the mango scent. It's one of my favourites from the Body Shop. Thank you so much. Oh, I think this is a lip balm. Oh, it is. See, this is the paper she always, I swear you do this on purpose. She always gives me wrapping paper I can't rip. Oh, it's a Nivea lip balm. Honestly, my lips are constantly trying. Oh, it's peach. Oh, you know me too well. Anything to do with peaches, love it. No. Oh my gosh. She knows I love the Body Shop. That's where we are both very, very similar. It's a coconut bath bubble. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like Bounty. I don't really like Bounty, but I love the smell of coconut. Look how cute. Oh my god, Malica. This is the Body Shop Festive Berry Shower Gel. I absolutely love the frosted berries that they had. I think it was last year or the year before. This is with cranberry seed oil from North America. Now, I'm gonna smell it straight away. Oh my god, that smells like Christmas. Oh, and the bottle's really cute too. I love Body Shop shower gels. I think they're absolutely amazing. And they're really good quality, and obviously the Body Shop and everything they stand for is something that's really, really important. So, oh my god, thank you so much. I'll make it a bit easier. What is this? No way. Have you actually? I think she has. Oh my god, I can't even get it out. Right. So, how's that work then? It's Soap and Glory Oh my, you are amazing. This is something I've wanted to try for so long, and it's one of those things you see and I just haven't treated myself to it. It is the Peaches and Clean Amazing 4-in-1 Wash Off Deep Cleansing Milk Special Clogged Pore Formula with peach and joe juice extracts with oxygenizing something. Melts away makeup for all skin types. I am so excited about this. Honestly, Malika, you are a babe and I love you anyway, but this is just amazing. Because I said to her, look, she loves Soap and Glory. She's the reason that I got into Soap and Glory, I'm going to be honest with you, and the Body Shop primarily anyway. And I've seen so many reviews about this on on Google and on Instagram, and I just really wanted to give it a go because I love trying to save the planet, believe it or not. And that's why I've cut down on my cotton pad use, and I use the makeup cloths that you just add water to, or I use my Body Shop Chamomile cleansing butter balm thing, and it's amazing for taking off makeup. It literally melts it away, but I think I left it in mattes. If not, I've lost it, which I'm going to be gutted about. Luckily it's payday tomorrow as I'm filming this, so I can buy a new one if necessary, because it is my holy grail makeup removing item. However, I want to try other things that are a bit more inexpensive. Then again, I think this is actually quite a similar price, so who knows. But I love the scent of peach, so I really hope this smells like peaches, considering it says Peaches and Clean. But yeah, Soap and Glory is the brand for puns and the brand for some amazing skincare products, so thank you so much. Oh, yum. Oh no, that wasn't what I was expecting, but still yum. Didn't even know this was a thing. Okay, so it's Terry's Chocolate Orange Minis Exploding Candy, so it's like got fucking candy in. Didn't even know that was a thing. Oh my god, there's 2 of them. Yeah, have I cut into it or not? Oh no, I think we're alright. I don't think I have cut into them. However, you can tell we've been friends for a long time, and she watches my videos. White chocolate buttons are my, right, it's going to be controversial, but my favourite type of chocolate button. I much prefer these to the normal ones, I'll be honest. And she's also got me, which I've snipped off the top bit, Cadbury's mini snowballs. I've got the robins as well in the fridge, but look how cute. Cutting into things now, because you never know. Oh, you have well and truly spoiled me with the Body Shop. The Body Shop Aloe Vera Calm Sheet Mask. Anything calming in my life is greatly appreciated. After 15 minutes, sensitive skin feels hydrated, settled and soothed. Biodegradable sheet formulated for sensitive skin. Enriched with community trade hand-filleted aloe vera from Campeche, Mexico. So unfold and apply, smooth over skin, wait 15 minutes, remove mask and massage liquid. Use as daily moisturiser, soothing day cream. Sold separately. Oh, that's nice. That's really cool. And I'm not gonna lie, Body Shop always feels like such good quality, the packaging. Oh my god. Oh my, Malika, you have really spoiled me. This is the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. So this is the range from the Body Shop that I've got the makeup balm, like removing balm. And I've never tried this before, and the Chamomile range is targeted for sensitive skin, hence why I love it. Because some Body Shop products can set off my irritation levels, I'm not gonna lie. But it's 100% vegan, and the Body Shop, if you didn't know, I'm sure I've got foundation on the lid now. If you didn't know, obviously cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, everything that they can is like biodegradable and amazing for the planet. Sustainable resources are used to source their products, and it's just an incredible brand. Love this. In the current climate and the pandemic, we always need one of these. I've actually included one of these in her swap, not this particular one. Hand gel. This is going to be really handy for when I'm at work, and also when I'm just out and about, when I'm Christmas shopping, and just when I'm out in general. And if we go back to some sort of normality and I can go to like my local social club, then I'll be always using this. So yeah, thank you. Another bottle. I'm really good, like a kind of, what is this? Another Soap and Glory product. Oh my god, wow. I didn't even know this was a thing. This is the Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. Smooths, cleans and purifies. Look how cool that is. I don't know how well it's showing up on. It's got little speckles in it, which I'm assuming help exfoliate your skin. But yeah, this product is fantastic. Consumer quote from independent user trials. So it cleaned up well. Squeeze a grape-sized measure of this fabulous face soap and clarity onto damp skin. Rub into a lather, then rinse. Follow with eye cream, moisturiser and spot treatment if needed. Wow, very nice. And then 98% of users agree that face soap and clarity is effective at removing dirt and impurities from the skin. Oh, very good. Oh, honestly, I've really got into my skincare, my pampering, my self-love and all that shenanigans, especially since obviously lockdown and coronavirus happened. So I'm really excited to give that a go, honestly. Oh my god, I saw this in her vlog and I was really hoping they were for me. We both love pink, and actually I decided to wear this Sheen top, which is in honour of Malica. I love this top anyway, but it's in honour of Malica because we both love pink. And I was going to wear a black top and I was like, don't get me wrong, she loves her black item of clothing, but she also loves her pink, and matching. I do love a good smartie. Gotta be honest with you. Okay, we're on to the last item. And if you're wondering, we never set a budget really. We say a budget, but we never stick to it, let's be honest. Oh, I'm gonna eat this in a minute. This is a Maltesers reindeer. Oh, look at that. You can't have Christmas without that. Now give me 2 seconds because my battery's flashing at me. Battery has charged a bit, but honestly, Malica, thank you so much for everything you've got me, and for the Christmas gifts as well that I will be opening on Christmas Day in my Christmas Day vlog, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Oh, honestly, there is a look to the stuff we have inside, and I'm just so, I keep saying it, but I am so grateful. And when I showed my mum all the chocolate, she was like, that girl knows you too well. I'm like, she does indeed. But I'm most excited to try the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover and the Peaches and Clean Cleansing Milk from Soap & Glory. There we go. It smells insane. Let me just smell it again. I said to my mum, on my Christmas wish list for my family, I will not be asking for a lot of Body Shop stuff because Malica's well and truly spoiled the hell out of me. Thank you so much for Malica. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. Let me know in the comments what you think about my video so far using my Canon G7X. It's very strange, but I'm so grateful, and I'm getting more to grips with it now. I know how to time lapse, know how to make it focus, which are the main things I need, let's be honest. And my editing is going so well. I'm on an editing roll really, because my iPad is a game changer for editing. Malica, you were not wrong. Honestly, this is just a video of thanking Malica, to be honest, because the editing is so much quicker, it uploads so much quicker on my iPad, it's just so much easier overall. So yeah, I am very blessed, I feel very content, and I'm very grateful. So yeah, let me know in the comments what videos you want to see during the festive period. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.